What if the loudest things were the ones we ignore? Noise pollution is a major unnoticed problem within Singapore. Our goal is to make you notice it. Do you actually realise the damage this does to you? Probably not. And that's why we want to change this. The noises of traffic, construction, and crowds become the soundtrack of our lives, yet it's more than just a backdrop. This noise shapes us in ways we don't even realise. So this is how we visualised it. Through our interactive exhibition, we want to help you realise the contrast of soundscapes across Singapore and the real effect they have. With every tap, you uncover a new layer of sound, a street corner filled with energy, a quiet park waiting to be heard. Experience the quiet chaos that lies beneath the city's surface. This exhibition combines sight, sound and touch to create a multi-sensory experience that helps people better understand the impact of urban noise. So, how does it work? See your favourite places in a new way and experience the sounds you may have not previously noticed. It's time to listen to the city and see what's really happening.
Georgie, without the table. Oh, wow.